What's up, YouTuber? If you're watching this video right now, chances are each and every day you're listening to a song, right? But what if you are paid $12 per song that you're listening to? It sounds too good to be true, right? But don't worry, if you stick around to the end of this video, you're gonna be at the point where you can be making more money just by listening to your favorite song on Spotify, okay? And once you start generating money from this website, you can request a payout at any time and they are going to pay you directly to your bank account, okay? So if you stick around to the end of this video, you're going to be at the point where you can be making more money just by listening to your favorite song, alright? And remember, your location is not reason barrier. No matter where you come from, be in America, Asia, Africa, Europe, no matter where you are in the world, you can still sign up to this website and start generating money, guys, okay? Now, for us to get it started, you will need to create your account on Spotify. If you have it before, just go ahead and log in, alright? But if you are new to Spotify and you don't even have an account, just click on this button right here that says sign up for Spotify and you will be on this page, okay? All you need to do is to put in your email address, confirm your email address, create the password, and here, enter your public name, form of your username, alright? Put in your date of birth, your month, date, and all that. And put in your gender. If you are male or female, select what you are, select your gender. And if you want to be receiving news and services from Spotify, you can click on this button right here. But if you don't want, you can leave it unclicked, alright? And last but not the least, you have to agree to the terms of the services and click I'm not a robot, okay? Once you've done that, you're gonna hit on sign up and then they will send you an email for verification. You have to verify the email, then you're gonna be on the home page, okay? It's pretty straightforward. Signing up doesn't require anything, alright? But if you have it already, just go ahead and log in, okay? Once you log in, your new account is gonna look like this. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to create your playlist, alright? Because you're gonna be using your playlist on this website to be generating money, okay? Because without playlist, they are not gonna accept you from this website. So the first thing you need to do is to come to Spotify and create your playlist. To create your playlist is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is to hit on this button right here and say create a playlist, alright? And we've done that, you'll be on this page. Here you can change the photo icon if you wish so, alright? And you can as well change the name of your playlist, alright, to your preference. Doesn't really matter at this point what type of name you're using or your picture, okay? Now, for you to have some music on your playlist, what you need to do is to go to Google and type something like most popular song in 2022. These are the popular songs of 2022. Let's assume like that. Like here's The Weeknd, Take My Breath. And when you come to Spotify and search for it, like The Weeknd, Take My Breath, you will see it here. All you need to do is just to add it to your playlist, okay? It's already added to your playlist. That's how you're gonna be adding the most popular song to your playlist. Now, let's assume you have up to about 20 songs on your playlist. So, what are you going to do now to be generating money? That is the most vital point. That's the most important point. Now, you gotta listen to me, alright? When you hover up to this website, the website that is gonna be paying us the money, that is called Playlist Push. When you want to sign up, the first thing that you need to do is to hover to the page where it says become a curator, alright? You're gonna click on become a curator. When you click on it, now when you want to create your account, listen to me very carefully. Here, you'll be asked to put in your name, okay? You'll be asked to put in your name, put your email address, put in the country where you reside, and put your phone number, okay? Here is the most important part. You'll be asked to put in your playlist. If you go ahead and put the playlist that you just created, they're not going to accept you. Do you know why? Because that playlist don't even have any followers. So you must have at least 500 to 1,000 followers before you can be accepted to this website, alright? But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get this follower within seconds, alright? There is fast way to get these followers and then slow way. You're gonna choose your preference and follow the way that suits you best, alright? If you go ahead and put that playlist that we just created, if you go ahead and put this link to the playlist we just created, they're not gonna accept you. Trust me, they're not gonna accept you because they need at least 500 to 1,000 followers before you can be accepted to this website, alright? So now, how are we going to get this follower? That is the next step, alright? There are many ways for us to get this follower. There are the paid versions and then the free version, but don't worry. Firstly, I will go to the paid ones, then I'll also walk you through to the free ones. If you want it to be super fast, you have to go with the paid offers, alright? That are going to give you the followers within 2 days or even within a day. And if you want the free one, you can also do it that way. But I prefer the paid ones, alright? Or you can totally choose what suits you best, alright? The first website that I would like us to go is going to be this website right here that's called Spotify on Fire, alright? You can see here it says for 1,000 playlist follower for $19 and they're going to be from worldwide. This one also is also 1,000 playlist followers and all the followers are from United States. Don't worry, this money, if you choose to do it this way, this $19, if you listen to just 2 songs, they are going to pay you $24, and that already is going to give you back the money that you spent. Even if they are saying $19 right here, it doesn't really matter, because when you start listening to the songs, you're going to be making more money than this. Alright, so if you want to spend some money, you can choose this way, you can do it this way. But if you feel like you don't want to risk any, don't have any money, you prefer other options, you are not too convinced with this website, don't worry, I'm still going to show you the other way to get followers. Okay, if today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. If you're the type of person who is looking for different ways to make money online, this is the right place and the right channel for you. Alright, here I teach people how to possibly stay at home and make money online. So if you're the type of that person that is very serious on making money online, you can consider to subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I upload a new video on how to stay at home and make money online and possibly be your boss, you will definitely be the first person to get notified by YouTube. And when you're the first person to get notified, you're going to be the first person to carry out the website and be the first person to make money from the website. Alright, and if you watch this video to this point, it means that you're so curious of making money online. So do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up, so that the video will be shown to more people who are looking for different ways to make money online. The other website I would like you to go for you to have all these fast followers for your playlist is called Pico Workers. Alright, here you can see it said Pico Worker is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Alright, businesses who need other people to help them to support their work come to Pico Workers. Here they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. If you don't know how to create an account, I will leave you a video right here that I made some time ago that is going to walk you through how you can create your account. Alright, I have my account already. I will just go ahead and log in. Okay, on this Pico Worker, you can possibly pay some people like 10 cents to 9 cents for them to carry out your task. All you need to do on Pico Worker is just to post a job right here, choose the specific country where you want your follower to come from. If I should walk you through how Pico Worker works, this video is going to be too long. I don't like that. I will leave you a link in the description of this video and on the right top corner of this video, so that you can watch it and know how to create accounts and know how it works. Alright, Pico Worker is one of the fastest way. When you post this job right now, within 10 minutes, all these followers that we're talking about, this 1,000 followers, you're going to have it within 10 minutes. Alright, so if you want to do it this way, you can also do it this way. Using Pico Worker is one of the fastest way to have followers on Spotify. Okay, now the free way for you to get Spotify follower is through this website we call reddit.com. Alright, when you go to Reddit, you might click on this button that says join now, but I already have my account. Alright, I'm not going to join now, I already have my account. When you come to this place on subreddit to see more, you will see the type of playlist that you have. Alright, let's say we choose something like pop and R&B. Okay, you will see some people that are already posted their playlist right here. Like what I said earlier, you have to put a lot of music on your playlist, right? So that's the same thing that this guy right here just did. You can see there are a lot of songs here. Some people that are coming here will be listening to this music, when they say that they like the music, they will just follow this guy automatically. Doing that, you have some free followers, but this method is not that fast. It's not like the Pico Worker or the other way. Alright, but it's the most organic way of doing it. Here you're not going to spend any money. Who like your music is going to follow you automatically. Alright, so if you choose this way, you can also do it this way through reddit.com. Okay, so after you know that your playlist has now gotten a lot of followers, you can now come to this website, the playlist push, and create your account. Alright, and listening to a song, each song that you listen to, you're going to be generating more money. Okay, so that is the end of this video. So if you're looking for a more simpler way to make money online, more simple way than this to make money online, this video right here is definitely going to show you a different way of making money online. Alright,